Welcome to a peaceful winter ride through the heart of Taiyuan, a historic city nestled in the mountains of Shanxi, China. Grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and join me for this journey. The roads are nearly empty, lined with snow and silence. On the left, stone stairs winding up a small hill, likely leading to traditional homes or a local tea house. On the right, a row of pine trees and bare winter branches guard the edge of the road. Taiyuan is known for its rich history, dating back over 2,500 years. But this morning it feels like time has slowed. Just me, the bike, and the cold mountain air. Notice the snow still clinging to the side of the road, evidence of a recent snowfall. The air is crisp. My breath fogs with every exhale. Taiyuan lies in a valley surrounded by hills and rivers. If you listen closely, you might hear birds or the faint rustling of leaves as winter slowly transitions. Winter riding brings a sense of clarity. Every turn of the pedals echoes louder, and even the smallest detail, a ducked way on the handlebar, reminds me to smile. As the sun begins to rise higher, it paints a soft glow on the snow. Light dances on the frost-covered branches. This is the beauty of early mornings in Taiyuan. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful journey. If you enjoyed this ride, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know which city you'd like to see next.